Today I am going to show you how to create pull request and use Robocop gem to review our codes. I am going to show you using time tracker app. To do this, we have to create a fork from this repo. So in this way, we can create a fork from origin, copying this URL. So I have a fork branch in the name of Khalid. Now I am switching to a new branch. This is my branch. Now I am going to install the Robocop gem and use it to review our course. So we have to put this in our gem file and run bundle install. And the Robocop is installed. Now we are going to show you how to use this Robocop to run in the whole project or in some specified files. I am going to run on the gem file that what are the code related issues in this file. So we have to use this command to run Robocop in on the gem file. So it will list all the issues in the gem file, and let's see how we can resolve these issues. There's an alphabetical order related issues in line number 10, 13, 16. So going to 10, line number 10. And 10, 13, 16 is resolved. In line number 19 we have another issue, similar type of issue, and line number 29 we have a syntax related issue. Let's fix it. Okay, so as I am going to show you a demo, I am not fixing it all the issues, just showing how to fix these issues. Let's hope all the issues in the gem file are resolved, and I am going to create a pull request. So I have to use this name to push to the fork branch. So the code fixes are pushed to the fork branch code review. Now I am going to show you how to create a pull request. Seems like the internet is slow here. So let's create a pull request for this branch. Mm, so we have to write the ticket number of the Jira or the project management tool, and simple description of the issue that we fixed, and create the pull request. So we can share this pull request with the reviewer to review our code, and in this way we can create the pull request, and I have showed you how to review our code using Robocop gem. Thank you everyone.